Hello again guys, welcome to a new vlog. So good afternoon Canada, good morning Philippines. This afternoon we're gonna do a different kind of strength and conditioning routine. So a kind of new one, so sikan natin. We'll see, we'll give it a shot if I fail or not. Okay, let's start cracking. Okay guys, one set is done, and that's a bit heavier tools right there, because only that bar, not including the weight, so probably around 60 pounds or around 30 kilos. So the gym today is not too bad at all. Same thing as yesterday was another crazy day yesterday. So probably a couple more sets and then we're good for the day. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. Second attempt, I didn't fail. So probably we put 5 pounds to it and continue workout to it. Okay, I didn't put 5, I put 10, so that's about additional 10 pounds, so close to 70 pounds guys. Yeah, it's not too bad at all, same as yesterday guys. See? Okay, let's crack in. holy smoke guys, probably just relax for a bit, 30 to 90 seconds. That's about a bit heavier right now guys. So that was for the strength and conditioning workout routine. So it's not too bad at all. I didn't fail, because last time we do that different kind of strength and conditioning workout. So make sure double check guys the equipment and machineries that you use with the gym, because you cannot escape accident guys. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it's not. So yeah, just take precaution every time you use it. Double check or triple check the equipment and machineries guys. So probably we're gonna do another set and we'll call it a day. Holy smoke guys. And here's the restaurant right here guys. I don't know, I forgot to count that how many set or routine is that. So well, the gym today is not the same as yesterday. Yesterday was a little bit crazy and super busier guys. Yeah, I was so, that's why I just do that routine yesterday. And always don't forget to do stretching to avoid any kind of injury, and then after that you can do warm up guys, and probably we call it for the day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out guys.